Okay guys, here we go. This is a project for the last few days, just having a bit of a tidy up. There's a lot more to do, but getting things organised. We've got the machine shop here, so got our tooling and measuring gear, reamers, taps, all sorts of stuff in there. Nice storage thing for them there. Got this pretty cool old drill press, flat belt drive. Quite like it's got a pretty cool little ratchet arrangement for the feed on there, automatic feed as well. So that obviously needs a motor and hooking up sometime, but whether we use it I'm not sure, but should do the job. Got the new Trident lathe here, just picked this up the other week, but it's quite a nice machine, works well. Haven't actually machined anything on it yet, but that's to come once we get it wired up. And then we've got the Luden shaper. Well, sorry, not a shaper, it's a planing machine, a steel planer. Hopefully at some stage we'll have this fired up and running. A little list array there, little project on the go. Got the stack of change gears there for the big lathe. Dean Smith and Grace. So probably most machinists will tell you there's probably not a better lathe ever made in the world than one of these, but we'll find out when we get to use it. They're normally a pretty well built machine. It's quite a large one, that one, so that was quite an effort to get that set up in here, but we've got the overhead to still go up above the drive there. We'll get around to that. And then hiding in the corner, a nice little Herbert milling machine. So there we go. Should be able to get a few jobs done and get a few spare bits made and hopefully have a bit of fun doing it. There we go.